Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. So far we learnt the basic definitions of sin theta, cos theta, tan theta, and cosecant theta, secant theta, and cot theta. So let us quickly give a review on it. So sin theta is equal to opposite side to theta by hypotenuse. Cos theta is equal to adjacent side to theta by hypotenuse. Tan theta is equal to opposite side to theta by adjacent side to theta. Cosecant theta is equal to hypotenuse by opposite side to theta. Secant theta is equal to hypotenuse by adjacent side to theta. Similarly, cot theta is equal to adjacent side to theta by opposite side to theta. So the possible 6 trigonometric ratios are these. There will be only 6, not more than that, because there are 6 possible ratios for the given triangle ABC. Okay, there will be only 6 trigonometric ratios, not more than that. Okay, so let us do a small problem on it, on the trigonometric ratios. So here is the problem. So the problem is, if in triangle PQR, so Q is right angled, so the right angled is Q. So let me draw a diagram here. So triangle PQR, angle Q is 90 degrees. Okay, and also given that PQ is equal to 3 centimeters. So the length of this side is 3 centimeters. Also QR is equal to 4 centimeters. So this side is 4 centimeters. Then the question is, they're asking to find all trigonometric ratios with respect to angle P. So this is the angle. Okay, so with respect to this angle, we need to find all the trigonometric ratios. Okay, so let us write down. Okay, so before writing all the trigonometric ratios, we need to know all the sides of the right angle triangle. Do we know? No. See, here it is 3 centimeters and this is 4 centimeters. Then what is its length? So before going to the problem, we need to find out how much the length is. So we can find the length by Pythagoras theorem. So according to this theorem, the hypotenuse square PR square is equal to PQ square plus QR square. Okay, so PR square is equal to, what is PQ? PQ is 3 centimeters, so it is the square of 3 plus QR. QR is 4, so it is 4 square. So 3 square 9, 9 plus 16. So if we sum up these two, we will get 25. So PR square is 25. So from this, PR is equal to square root 25. So P is equal to 5 centimeters. Sorry, PR is equal to 5 centimeters. Therefore, the length of this PR is 5 centimeters. So now we got all the sides of the triangle. So now we can find all the trigonometric ratios. Come on, let us find out. So first is sin theta. Sin theta, here theta is P. Okay, so I am writing here P, sin P. Okay, whatever angle it is, we are going to write it here. So because they are asking with respect to P, I am writing here P. Okay, if they ask with respect to R, then we are going to write here R. We are going to write here R. Okay, so they are asking sin P. Sin P, what is sin P? Opposite side to P by hypotenuse. Okay, what is opposite side to P? It is QR by, what is the hypotenuse? It is PR, which is equal to, what is QR? QR is 4 centimeters. 4 centimeters by, what is PR? it is 5 centimeters. So sin p is 4 by 5. Okay, and remember there will be no units for every trigonometric ratio. Okay, remember this important one, because centimeter will get cancelled out. There will be no units. Okay, second one, so it is cos p. Cos p is adjacent side to p by hypotenuse. What is adjacent side to p? Adjacent side to p is pq by hypotenuse is pr, which is equal to, what is pq? PQ is 3 centimeters by PR is 5 centimeters. So this is 3 by 5. Okay, here also centimeter and centimeter will get cancelled out. So there will be no units for even cos P. Okay, next one is, next trigonometric ratio is tan P. Tan P is equal to opposite side to P by adjacent side to P. Adjacent side to P. What is opposite side to P from the triangle? It is QR. QR by adjacent side to P is PQ. So QR is 4 centimeters by PR is PQ is 3 centimeters. So it is 4 by 3. Okay, next. Cosecant P. What is cosecant P? Hypotenuse by opposite side to P. What is the hypotenuse here? It is, hypotenuse is PR. PR by opposite side to P is QR. So it is 5 by 4. You can clearly see cosecant P and sin P. See, they are reciprocal to each other. Reciprocal of sin P is cosecant P. Okay. Similarly, secant P. Secant P is hypotenuse by adjacent side to P. What is hypotenuse? Hypotenuse is PR by adjacent side to P is PQ. PR is 5 centimeters by PQ is 3 centimeters. So it is 5 by 3. Okay, which is 5 by 3. Also, the last trigonometric ratio is cot P is equal to adjacent side to P by opposite side to P, which is equal to, what is adjacent side to P? Adjacent side to P is PQ by opposite side to P. Opposite side to P is QR. So it is QR. So which is equal to PQ. PQ is 3 centimeters and QR is 4 centimeters. So this is equal to 3 by 4. So this is how we must find all the trigonometric ratios for the given triangle. Okay, I hope you all understood it, and let us meet in the next video.